guys, good morning, good afternoon to me. I just gave the kids a bath and I was getting them dressed and I noticed that hurricane or tropical storm, whatever they're calling it, it just made its arrival. It's supposed to be like hitting really bad tomorrow. We'll see. On another note, the Flores family mama is breaking out. Right, Ju?
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna make some hamburgers for dinner.
Yeah.
Yay, Juju, yay! So that's what we're doing, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You shouldn't play with your food.
Sorry, Daddy.
Peppa, if you like bubbles, why don't you play with your bubble mixture?
It died.
Bubble mix. No, George, let's play bubble in the
And the charger is MIA. I can't find it nowhere. Bella, I don't, mommy don't feel good.
First, then take a big breath and blow. Bubble.
Can you hold me tight, please?
George, now it's your turn.
Can you hold me tight?
Stick in the mixture. Hold the top. Take a big breath.
Hold me tight. Hold me tight.
George is trying really hard, but he's running out of breath.
And the kid comes over with white, and the kid dying.
I can't hear you. I'm sleeping.
And the kid dying.
I can't hear you. I'm
I know a way
sleeping.
George can make
And the
bubbles.
kid
Dip the
dying.
stick in the
Ah.
mixture,
And the
then
kid
lift it up,
dying.
It's okay,
roll it
Bella.
around.
And I really want to take this side off. And the kid, and they can
It's
take
even better if you run along.
Say hola, mi YouTube family. Hola. Hola. Mi YouTube familia. Peppa Pig. Good? Having a little snack while we wait for Hurricane Nate? Enjoying the electricity while we have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, love you.
And when we're done with this, we
Alright,
can make a pocket.
Junior. What are you doing? What? Okay. Can I have besito? What do you say? No, say it in Spanish. No. There we go. Give me some. Good? Having a little snack while we wait for Hurricane Nate? Enjoying the electricity while we have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, love you.
And when we're done with this, we
Alright,
can make a pocket. I didn't know that movie worked.
It doesn't work on our DVD player, but it works on Yaya's. Hi, Nino. You're the Nino. I'm the mama.
I knew that.
nothing. Trying to get a vlog in for today, and I have absolutely the lighting in my sister's room is awful, so I got this little thing and don't make it better, so we're gonna eat. Make your mean face. Make your mean face. Make your mad face.
Yeah, I'm making a mad face. I'm making a mad face.
He just can't do it. Like cat boy.
I'm making a mad face.
Let me see your mad face.
I'm the cat boy.
Please don't pull on yourself, Junior.
No, you're trying to pull on yourself.
Besito?
No,
Bella.
Junior.
Isabella.
Besito. I got pee.
Besito.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And press the stop button on record. Junjun likes give besitos, huh? Ay, so sweet. Bana Paquito. That's her name for Despacito. Okay.
Goodbye.
You're gonna break their hearts. Alright, sing it then.
And I mean, dirt and the mug, and that enough to actually I punch you. Is that all I want me?
Alright, say thanks for watching.
And that
Junior said don't leave. Junior's gonna be such a great little vlogger. You love the audience?
Yeah.
Do you love the audience? You talk, but you keep blah 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 blah. You don't shut up. Say something then.
I could die.
Alright. Say we'll see y'all when we're making cookies. Now you may press the stop. Alright, we were supposed to make cookies after dinner. That didn't happen because the kids didn't want to finish their burgers, and I said if they didn't eat their burgers, no cookies. And they didn't get cookies, right, Bella?
Yeah,
the lighting in here sucks too, by the way.
And tomorrow we gotta make cookies.
Yes, tomorrow.
And we got better while we make cookies. Right, Mama?
Right. And she should be sleeping. Junior's already sleeping. It is.
And I do got my toy to show y'all how I listen. Let me show you right now.
Go ahead, show.
Right here and here. You know, you can know the abundance with numbers,
Shapes,
someone's, and some numbers, and some math.
She's telling y'all she can learn Spanish with her robot with shapes, songs, numbers, and colors.
I just have a color right here.
It's got colors.
See?
No colors?
Okay. Let me show
Alright, I'm gonna have to pick this up when she go to sleep.
you. Let me.
She's finally sleeping, so. Watching Shameless. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that Shameless is my every night to go. It's just what I do. Try not to watch that. Anyways, I wanted to show y'all what we picked up from the Dollar Tree today. Because it was supposed, like, look outside. There's no rain. Nothing. But we got the kids some little activity. Look how cute. Just in case the power got cut and play some color, whatever. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Jaden got dinosaurs. Junjun wanted puppies. And then we got them these for tomorrow. For their little pumpkins. birthday. Look at this. Just in case power's shut. I also wanted to say thank you for two, not four. Thank you to Kelsey and Michelle from Michelle's from the Michelle from the Hedrick family. They messaged me on Instagram and, you know, told me to stay safe, and they were thinking about me. It was very sweet. So I'm gonna link both of their channels below. Go show them some love. Whether it's kids or cats, it's always a distraction. He wants to go outside so bad. But you're not allowed to go outside anymore. He hates me because of that. This one is Can you say hello to the vlog? Can you say thank you, Kelsey and Michelle? Say it, say it.